naman. My trust. My heart. Tito, time would burn the pain. But the that evil. Some would grow deeper. Some die in the fire. Every sleepless dream. Every silent scream. Ah! Here I go. Deep fed the flame inside me. Vengeance. In the dark. Mrs. Justice! Is the world stay silent? It tells me. They will feel what you feel. They will break! As you are broken! And yet, as I stand here, with fire in my hands and fire in my face, a question bursts louder than my rage. Why this story? Them! 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 For vengeance is a poison. Dead into the soul. To the edge. One step toward darkness. One step toward mercy. Ah! Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Please tell me. It's congratulate me.
And for the winner, contestant number 7.